We help the community of Independence and Blackburn to become better by collecting trash.
She's like really fun and helpful.
I can think of some things that you might have picked up. Keenan. A water bottle.
She always has like a new activity for us every day we come.
It's rewarding to know that you're changing their lives and you're showing them that a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be demanding.
My favorite thing about her is that she's like bright and inspiring and she doesn't give up.
The community has a huge heart in our school and the teachers just care for every single student like their own. Every single teacher is amazing and I feel honored to be a part of this district.